Harness Chaos Engineering was designed to help you with all of your resiliency challenges, making sure that we're testing all of the things that are important. So when we think of those critical infrastructures, making sure that you can test every possible scenario that we know of before it ever gets into production. Adding those sometimes is very difficult. Knowing what to add, where to add becomes a challenge. So instead of having to have that clear understanding, let's again use Harness's AI to go help us figure out which ones to run. We'll go ahead and look at this very simple pipeline. It's got multiple services that it's deploying out together. And what we'll notice if we look at resiliency tests right now, there aren't any. So we can very quickly do, based on all the knowledge that Harness has about your actual services that are being deployed, what they're being deployed on and how they are, we can go ahead and suggest very specifically a few different chaos tests that need to run for each one of those individual services. This takes all of the context from your applications, from your environments, to be able to make sure that we know what chaos tests to run. In case this one specifically, we're going to start with something very basic, like pod deletes, making sure that we can go delete a pod, make sure the service still stays up and running and gives you the performance that it needs. The idea here is, again, you don't have to know what to look for. Harness is actually giving you that so that you don't have to. This not only stands for adding it to brand new ones, but also you might have certain areas where we want to look at recommendations that we have across the board for any different service. This can look at, say, configuration changes that we want to run. This can also look at very specific chaos tests that we want to actually add. So for instance, what we're finding from the same system is that right now we're not actually doing CPU hogs and we're not doing memory hogs. So what I can do is give you those understandings. We can decide to accept them or to ignore them, but now I can quickly add new chaos tests to any given pipeline. And what you'll now notice is that we've got CPU hogs added to it as well. So the intention is you don't even have to know what to look for. We'll start automatically giving those recommendations of what you can test to make your system more resilient.